In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to effortlessly post a full-size picture on Instagram without compromising any part of your precious shot. Let's dive right into the details. Many people face the exact same issue when they hit the post button at the bottom of the Instagram interface, attempting to share a panoramic image. They notice that the image is actually taller than Instagram's allowable dimensions. Even when you attempt to pinch and zoom out, you hit a limit, preventing you from capturing the full essence of the picture. Our solution involves utilizing a user-friendly app. Start by exiting the Instagram app. Now, head over to your App Store, or its equivalent on your device, and search for an app named Square Fit. While there are other photo editing apps available, we recommend this one for its simplicity and effectiveness. Once you've successfully downloaded and installed the app, launch it, ready to take control. Located in the bottom left corner, give it a tap. You'll be presented with options to choose a video, a photo, or to start with a blank canvas. In this scenario, opt for photo. Select the image that you're eager to share on Instagram without having to crop a single pixel. Once your chosen image is loaded, it will be displayed on the screen. Here's where the magic happens. Manipulate the photo's positioning to match your vision for the post. If you spot any annoying black bars, simply use a two-finger pinching motion to adjust the photo's size and eliminate those intrusive bars. Additionally, you can tweak the canvas size if needed. By default, the canvas follows a 1:1 ratio, but don't hesitate to modify it to suit your preferences. As you explore the various options provided, you'll stumble upon features like frames. With your image now polished to perfection, hit the Save button nestled in the top right corner. Congratulations! Your expertly edited image is safely stored. Exit the Square Fit app, or whichever photo editing app you've chosen, and return to Instagram. Locate and tap the Post button at the bottom. Here's where the real excitement comes into play. The adjustments we've made to the image's positioning allow us to present the entire masterpiece. This seamlessly integrates the image into Instagram's layout. Tap Next, positioned in the top right corner, and then proceed with another tap on Next. Make any final adjustments. Lastly, recreate the caption just as it's shown in the original text. Now, take a step back and admire your accomplishment. The image is now ready to be shared with your Instagram audience. Remember to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out.